discuss Michael's reaction, or most popularly it is known as Michael's addition. So this reaction involve addition of or addition between alpha beta unsaturated keto compound with compound having active methylene group in basic medium. So for example, consider the alpha beta unsaturated keto compound. This is the alpha beta unsaturated keto compound when treated with compound having active methylene group like this. This is the diethyl malonate in a basic medium like sodium ethoxide. Then addition takes place which lead to the formation of an addition product which may be given as, so this is the addition product so obtained. So this is one of the finest examples of Michael's addition. Now mechanism is very important thing for any chemical reaction. Now first of all, what happens? Base remove acidic hydrogen from the compound having active methylene group. So this ester of malonic acid can be given as, so CH2 methylene can be written in this fashion. So what happens ultimately? Base removes proton from this, and as a result of which electron pair remains at the carbon, and that lead to the formation of a carb anion. Now this carbon ion plays vital role. Ultimately it attacks the alpha beta unsaturated keto compound. So this is the alpha beta unsaturated keto compound which is later attacked by our carb anion so obtained. Now right here what happens? This is polar one. So electron pair get attracted by the oxygen and this pair gets shifted like this. So this carbon now become electron deficient which is readily attacked by the carb anion. Thus an intermediate so obtained can be given as, so this is the intermediate so obtained. Now exactly what happens? This intermediate ultimately get protonated and proton from alcohol get added like this, and due to addition of proton we receive an enol form of the product which may be given as, so this is the enol form. And we all know very well that the enol form is comparatively less stable, thus it ultimately get converted into its most stable keto form. Thus the keto form of the above can be given as, this is the keto tautomer of the above, which happens to be the product of the Michael's addition, I mean the example whatever we have taken. That's what all about Michael's addition. Thank you very much.